Have you ever noticed that for most of your fruit trees, one year you will have a bumper crop, and the following year you will have no crop or very small crop, and then the following year again a bumper crop, and the cycle continues. This is called biennial bearing or alternate bearing. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let's find out how we can fix this issue, how we can make sure that every year you get a reasonable crop instead of a bumper crop one year and no crop the next year. So most of the fruit trees like apple, pear, apricot, as the trees blossom and they start to show fruits for this season, they are also developing the flower buds for the next season. These flower buds you can't see, they are inside the branches. These are just buds inside the branches that are being developed. So at any time, whenever the fruits are being developed on a fruit tree, the flower buds for the next season are also being developed inside the branches. Now, the tree has limited amount of energy, so it can spend that energy in developing the fruits that you can see on the branches, or it can spend that energy in developing the flower buds for the next season. Now, if there is a balance between the two, it's not a problem. Tree can devote some energy here and some energy there. But if the tree has a lot of fruits, then most of its energy is spent in developing these fruits, and nothing goes to the flower buds, or very little energy goes to the flower buds. The result is very few flower buds develop, and in the next season these flower buds become flowers, but because there were less number of flower buds, there will be less number of flowers next season. That means there will be less fruit in the next season. So what you want to do is that if you know that this is the year that you get a bumper crop, you want to thin down your fruits, meaning remove some of the fruits from the trees so that some energy goes in developing the flower buds for the next season. So how exactly you should thin the fruits, I have a separate video for that, and I have put the link in the description. You can check it out. Basically remove smaller fruit, diseased fruit, fruits touching with each other. So that way less energy will be spent by the tree on the fruits because you have reduced the number of fruit, and some energy will go in developing the flower buds for the next season. So that's about it. If you know that this is the year when you get a bumper crop, thin down the fruits, reduce it to 30 or 40% of the total fruits, and that way a lot of energy will go in developing the flower buds for the next season, and next year you will get a good crop also. Even if you are not facing this issue of a bumper crop one year and no crop next year, you should still thin down your fruits because that way you get bigger and better fruits. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.